Today, we're embarking on a thrilling adventure to the zoo park to meet three amazing animals: the majestic lion, the stealthy crocodile, and the powerful bear. Get ready for an exciting day of discovery. Our first stop is the Savannah exhibit, where we'll encounter the king of the jungle, the lion. Lions here in the zoo live in prides, just like they do in the wild. Look at that beautiful golden mane and those powerful paws. Lions have sharp claws and teeth for hunting, but here in the zoo, they enjoy a balanced diet provided by the zookeepers. Lions are social animals, and you might hear them communicating with each other through roars and playful growls. It's a truly majestic sight. Next up, we're heading to the reptile house to discover the amazing world of crocodiles. These incredible creatures are masters of stealth and live in a specially designed aquatic habitat. Crocodiles have tough, scaly skin that acts like armor, and their eyes and nostrils are on top of their heads, allowing them to breathe and see while submerged. In the zoo, they are fed a diet that suits their natural needs, and you might see them basking in the sun to regulate their body temperature. It's a fantastic opportunity to observe their unique behaviors up close. Our final destination is the bear exhibit, where we'll meet the powerful and versatile bears. These bears are adapted to a variety of environments, from forests to mountains, and here in the zoo, they have a spacious enclosure that mimics their natural habitat. Bears are known for their strong claws, keen sense of smell, and incredible strength. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. In the zoo, they enjoy a diet carefully prepared by the zookeepers to ensure their health and well-being. Watch closely, and you might see them engaging in some playful activities. What an amazing day of exploration, zoo enthusiasts! We've met the majestic lion, the stealthy crocodile, and the powerful bear, each with its unique features and adaptations. Zoos play a crucial role in conservation and education, allowing us to appreciate and learn about these incredible animals. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the wonders of the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed this zoo adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting journeys into the animal world. See you on the next expedition.